Drinking pomegranate juice regularly can have several potential health benefits due to its rich nutritional content. Here are some potential effects on the body. Antioxidant boost. Pomegranate juice is high in antioxidants, particularly punicalagins and anthocyanins, which can help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. This may contribute to reducing oxidative stress in the body. Heart health. Studies suggest that pomegranate juice might have positive effects on heart health. It may help lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and improve overall heart function. This is attributed to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Anti-inflammatory effects. Some research indicates that regularly consuming pomegranate juice may have anti-inflammatory effects, which could potentially benefit conditions related to inflammation in the body. Improved digestion. Pomegranate juice contains fiber, which can aid in digestion and help prevent constipation. It may also promote a healthy gut microbiome. Potential cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that the antioxidants in pomegranate juice could inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells, particularly in prostate cancer. However, more research is needed to confirm this effect. Skin benefits. The antioxidants and vitamin C in pomegranate juice may help promote healthy skin by combating oxidative stress and aiding in collagen production. However, it's essential to note that while pomegranate juice has potential health benefits, excessive consumption may not be suitable for everyone. It's high in natural sugars and calories, so drinking it in moderation is advised, especially for those monitoring their sugar intake or with specific health conditions. Blood pressure regulation. Regular consumption of pomegranate juice has been associated with potential reductions in systolic blood pressure, which could benefit individuals with high blood pressure. The antioxidants in the juice may help promote blood vessel health, contributing to better blood flow and pressure regulation. Joint health. Some studies suggest that the anti-inflammatory properties of pomegranate juice might have a positive impact on joint health, potentially reducing symptoms of arthritis and joint pain. Cognitive function. There's emerging research indicating that the antioxidants in pomegranate juice might have neuroprotective effects, potentially supporting cognitive function and reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Exercise performance. Some athletes use pomegranate juice as a natural supplement due to its potential to enhance exercise performance and reduce muscle soreness. Its high antioxidant content might help in muscle recovery post-exercise. Dental health. Pomegranate juice contains compounds that may be beneficial for oral health. Some research indicates that it could help inhibit the growth of certain bacteria in the mouth, potentially reducing the risk of dental plaque and gum disease. Men's health. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice might have benefits specifically for men's health. It's been associated with potential improvements in erectile function and prostate health due to its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Weight management. While pomegranate juice itself isn't a weight loss miracle, its fiber content might help in promoting satiety, potentially aiding in portion control and weight management.